Hey guys, this is JR Clutch. Welcome to my channel where it's everything real estate investing. Wholesaling real estate, fix and flipping, Airbnbs, rentals, you name it, that's what we do here in real life.
Playing with me, stop 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 playing with me. Yeah, 2019 I went broke, now I'm back way better than before. Went through some changes, went through some business, went through some ranges. Let's spin in a spaceship. Siri talking to me in a different language. If you don't see what I see, get the fuck out my way and let me do me. Yeah, stop playing with me, stop playing with me, stop playing with me.
So today's topic is going to be strictly about wholesaling real estate for beginners. I want y'all to understand the terminologies. I want you to understand the concept, and I'm going to try to make it as basic and simple as possible, okay? The reason I have a passion for doing videos and YouTube on real estate investing is because, first of all, it's what I love, but second of all, it's what changed my life for me and my family. So not long ago, I was doing remodeling, construction, working with my hands, doing hard work. And what my goal was to flip houses eventually, maybe even build houses one day, until I found wholesaling real estate. When I discovered the concept, it really blew my mind. So basically, marketing to sellers and homeowners looking to sell their houses that need work and to sell at a discount is what we do. That's basically everything here. And we've decided that we wanted to try a new model. So we've actually invented a different model here at Clutch that I'll get into later. But the first thing I want to do is I want you to understand the basics of wholesaling and what it is. Okay? So wholesaling, okay? To keep it as simple as possible. And remember, you can wholesale anything. You can wholesale fruit, vegetables, t-shirts, you name it, clothing, cars, everything is pretty much wholesale. The concept of wholesale is basically getting at a cheaper price and selling at a higher price. That's pretty much all wholesaling is. So, our main objective in wholesaling real estate is one, finding discounted real estate. Okay, so the first thing is to find discounted real estate. So I know you're asking me, well, JR, how do I find discounted real estate? Well, that's a good question. So what you need to learn is marketing. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways of how to market to find leads of people selling their house at a discount. Okay, there's the old school method, which is basically driving for dollars, door knocking, and literally just going into neighborhoods that look like they have a bunch of vacant, abandoned houses, writing their address down and skip tracing their phone number and calling them and simply asking if they're interested in selling their house. You could also go onto your appraisal district website, get their mailing address and write a letter that you're interested in buying and send it to them. Many different ways. These are very, very simple ways. There's also easier, cheaper ways like just networking with realtors and other wholesalers in your market and telling them if they have any properties that they need to sell at a discount. That's the free way, but you're probably not going to make as much doing it like that. You're always going to make more when you find the property straight from the homeowner because you're able to negotiate the best price. So that's step number one, finding the discounted real estate, and those are just a few tips on how you can find the real estate. And again, guys, I'm keeping this very simple. If you want to dig deeper into marketing, into scripts, into what to say, how much to make an offer, how much repair the house needs, etc. Remember, we do have a free school community called the Clutch Community. You can go to my Instagram, TikTok at JR Clutch, and you can find the link in my bio where we're able to answer questions every week, and we also have a community that answers questions as well, and we also are getting into doing Zoom calls. So remember, we do have that, and we also do workshops here in San Antonio, Texas. Okay, so another thing, remember, we're gonna get into all that as well later in the YouTube, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, drop some comments so you know you're watching, and so that we can continue to grow this YouTube channel. So number 2 is finding a buyer. Okay, so once you've found somebody that's selling their house at a discount. Now you have it under contract, and your goal is to find a buyer to buy that property at a higher price, right? And the difference between what you have it under contract for and what you assign it to a buyer for is called your assignment fee. And that's where you make your profit as a wholesaler. Okay, so I know you're asking, okay, JR, that sounds pretty simple, but how do I find a buyer? Well, there's lots of free ways to find buyers. There's Facebook groups. If you simply go to Facebook, you can find Facebook groups of investors. You can work with realtors and ask if they have investors. You could go to different networking events for investors. There's a lot of different things you can do. And remember, like I said earlier, we do plan on doing more detailed videos on all of this stuff. So if y'all have questions or you have ideas on what you want to learn, make sure you drop a comment so that we know and have an idea of what to do videos on in the future. All right, and remember to subscribe, drop a comment, hit notification bell for all our new videos. Okay, so it's really as simple as this: finding the discounted real estate, finding a buyer, and once you do that, boom, the third step is cash the check. Now, a lot of people overcomplicate this. A lot of people overcomplicate wholesaling real estate. And the reason I wanted to make it so simple is because this really is the basics of it. It's just finding discounted real estate, finding the buyer, and making the money. Okay? Now, there's different ways to find the real estate, and we're going to go over that in different videos, and there's a lot of ways to find buyers, but I don't want you to make this too complicated. Keep the business simple, keep what you're doing simple, and just repeat the process over and over and make it scalable. Okay, it's as simple as that. And a lot of people even see wholesaling as a means to an end, meaning they're just in wholesaling to gain some capital to become real estate investors, which is perfectly fine, because I feel as a real estate investor, you should learn how to wholesale first, because it's going to teach you all the basics. You're going to learn how to comp houses and know what they're worth. You're going to learn how to talk to sellers and put them under contract. You're going to learn how to meet investors, maybe to raise money. You're going to learn all the basics on how to find a good deal. So when you do get that capital, you're able to become a real good real estate investor, not having to rely on wholesalers to source your deals. Okay, guys? So remember, this is very important, and this is just basically an introduction to wholesaling real estate, okay? Watch as many videos as you can on our YouTube, where we have over 500 videos right now that you can watch, where we interview some of the best people in the real estate investing business. We actually do vlogs with them and walk real life investment properties, tour different investment firms. We do all sorts of videos that we've been doing for over 5 years now, okay? Also, remember, we're on all major platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, X, LinkedIn. We're on all the channels, guys. And remember to follow us on those, because we do post every month flyers of where our future events will be, where we do host events every single month for free for the real estate community, where we bring in industry leaders teaching on their expert topics. For instance, last month, we just had 5 of the biggest investors all over the nation come down here to San Antonio, Texas, where we hosted a free mixer, right? We had guys like Eric Klein, Logan Fulmer, Donovan Ruffin, just to name a few, all for free. And we're going to do this every single month here at the Clutch office. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a better understanding of what wholesaling real estate is. And we look forward to having you on the channel and being part of the community. All right. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay clutch.